All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So pick up, pick up, pick up. To get something from the ground. Yeah. She picked up the rock. She picked up the rock. I just picked up this orange. Yeah, this orange. Yeah. I will pick it up. Yeah. Can you pick it up from the ground? Can you? They want me to pick it up for them. Yeah, pick it up and carry it for them. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? I picked it up on the beach. Definitely, she picked it up on the beach. She picked up the rock from the beach. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? They are picking me up now. They're picking me up now. They're going to go to the party and they'll pick me up on the way. They will pick me up on the way to the party. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. Do you know how they will pick us up tomorrow? They might pick us up by car. They might pick us up by car or taxi. I am not sure. Yeah. Depends. It depends on things. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, pick up. Now, can you use pick up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.